Sometimes you're craving a snack, but you don't always want to lean into sweet flavours. So instead of a sweet treat, do yourself a favour and make this savoury delight. It is my Crispy Mushroom Flatbreads, and the best part is we're actually making the flatbreads from scratch. That's right, using this epic gluten-free flour. You know what I love about this? This is self-raising flour, and they've come a long way. There's no nasties in them, and they're a perfect one-for-one substitute with your traditional gluten-containing flours. And what's great is it's endorsed by Celiac Australia, so you can't go wrong. We're going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil, yogurt in there as well. Now, I'm actually using a coconut yogurt. You can use a Greek yogurt if you want. They both work really beautifully. I want to get flavour in here too, so it's important that we get some dried rosemary and some garlic powder. Get that mixed around just with a spatula or a wooden spoon. I'm going to take that spatula out and then get my hands into it. Roll it and knead it into a workable dough. And once it's nice and holding its shape, I'm going to divide it into 2 equal portions, which will enable me to roll those out nice and flat and fry them off in a fry pan. All right, we're gonna get onto our garlicky cashew cream. We're gonna make this in a stick blender. It's super simple. We're gonna start with water. Then we've got some cashews that I've soaked so that they're nice and soft and they'll break up nicely with the stick blender. Now we just need the zest and juice of 1 lemon. Give it a really good squeeze, get all of that lemon juice in there. We've got the garlic, good pinch of salt, and then we're going to get our hand blender in there and blitz it till it's nice and smooth and there's no chunky bits. All we need to do now with this beautiful cashew cream is spread it out across those flatbreads. Then we're going to get some baby spinach leaves on there. That'll wilt down beautifully when it hits the oven. Just gonna break some beautiful thyme leaves across the top to bring out some extra flavour. I've caramelised some onions. It's the perfect combination. We've got lemon, we've got garlic. Of course, we need some onions on top of this too. All I need to do now is place this in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes at 200 degrees until that spinach begins to wilt and that onion goes a little bit more sticky. Fresh out of the oven, it's hot, it's steaming, it's delicious. At this point, I like to do a sneaky drizzle of extra virgin olive oil on top just to really bring it to life. Now, pinch of salt is one way to season a dish like this. But one thing that's missing here when we're talking onion and we're talking garlic, mushrooms, they absolutely go perfectly. Now, these are shiitake mushroom crisps. And whilst they're a perfect snack on their own, look at them, they're fantastic. They add crunch, they add texture, but they also add that perfect umami flavour that we want from a snack like this. Just gonna run my knife across them like so. Have a bit. Perfect. This is a match made in heaven. I love it. I'm going to put the finer pieces across the top. And then I want to get some of those chunkier pieces, stick them in the side so that they really stand out on the dish. I'm going to plate one of these bad boys up. Check this out, it's gluten-free, it's delicious, it's easy, and it's going to be coming to your kitchen very soon.